Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on Mountain View Avenue. To the right is the National Stadium and to the left is the Mountain View community. Now Mountain View is very popular for two reasons. One, because the National Stadium is there, and two, because you usually use this road. This road leads you to the airport. It's one of the main routes from Kingston or St. Andrew to the Norman Manley International Airport. So it's very popular for that reason as well. Now on the left is the Jamaica Rifle Association. On the right is Nannyville. And you can tell by the color of the wall what political affiliation they have. Okay, coming up on the right now is the Excelsior Community College. So this to the right is the Excelsior Community College, and there you can see the sign Excelsior Education Center. Oh, they changed the name. I didn't even know that. So okay, what is this police car doing? Okay, and then to the right now is the Excelsior High School. So at one side you have the Excelsior Education Center, and then beside it you have Excelsior High School. And Excelsior High School is one of the top high schools in Jamaica, very prestigious school. Okay, if we turn right there at that intersection, we go on to Deanery Road, and that takes us into central Kingston. But we are on Mountain View Avenue heading towards Windward Road. Alright, at this intersection now, to the left is the Mountain View Police Station, and to the right is the entrance to Rosetown. I'm not sure what this car is doing. So that's the police station on the left and the entrance to Rosetown on the right. And we are on Mountain View Avenue heading towards Windward Road. Alright, so this is now Windward Road, straight ahead at the intersection. Turn left, you take Windward Road towards the airport. Turn right, you take Windward Road into central Kingston. These people seem to be having a discussion to the right. Two taxi operators. Look at this trailer coming around the corner. I've always been impressed with how these drivers are able to maneuver these long trailers. Alright, so if we turn right, we would go towards central Kingston, back into the downtown Kingston area. But we're turning left and taking Windward Road now. We're now on Windward Road towards the airport. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.